Tutug, tutug, tutug. Ba't naging 9.6 yung viewers? Turo ko na lang yung dance. Turo ko yung dance step sa inyo. Aralin nyo, dali. Wait lang, tali ko na yung shorts. Mag-end na rin ako mamaya-maya kasi may training ako today. So yung unang step, gaganto kayo. Chug, chug, ganon. So, chug, chug. Tapos, bigla nyo i-drop. I-drop nyo to. Ganon. So, 6, 7. Chug, chug. Tapos drop. Hawak kayo dito sa legs nyo. Boom. Tapos, tuck. Ganon. Pagka-drop nyo, tuhod. Tapos bigla, yun, isa yun. So, pagka ganon, I hate to break it to you. Damn it, it's so pretty. I see me flowing your body. Picture perfect movie, trembling fills me. I don't want an ending. Savor every bit of it, cause we're not in a hurry. I hate to break it to you, but in this room, there's no one living. Boom. Tas, snap. Gano'n, pag gano'n, snap. Tapos, tatouch mo itong likod mo. Can you read the room? Can you read the room? Tapos, gano'n. Can you read the room? Drop. Clap. Tas clap ka. Clap. Tas can you read the room? Gaganunin mo. Parang alam yung doorknob, yung ginanon mo. Can you read the room? Tapos kasabay niya, iikot yung hips mo. Gaganon. Room. Kasi ito medyo mahirap na next time na yan. Pag marami tayong time. So try natin siya with music.
As long as you're here with me, you won't take no hurt, 'cause I will be your sanctuary. If you only let me, we can split this story. We won't have to live this room inside everything.
5, 6.
Can you read the room? Read the room. Can ya? I hate to break it to you, but in this room there's no one living.
Hey, let's go! Aray. Ganon.